All right, so are you the owner?
Okay, I'll give you a call back. What was that?
Are you the owner?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll need to see your driver's license if you don't mind, and the registration or insurance, okay? Just to confirm. All right, so I'm gonna be using this Lishy tool to pick and decode the lock. So once I'll pick it, I'm gonna be able to decode it, and that way I'm gonna know how to cut the key. All right. Okay, so we got a code. Let's cut the key and see if that's gonna work. Let's see. All right, it works on the door. Okay, let's see if it starts the car. All right, car is running.